Hello YouTubers, it's me Aiden Joyce, back with another Bachmann Thomas and Friends review. This time I'm doing a review on another Bachmann in locomotive. This time it's Bachmann Toby. If you've seen my trip to West Side trains in Las Vegas, Nevada, then you might have remembered I bought this. If you haven't seen it, please go ahead and check that out on my YouTube channel. Right now, let's go get into the box. It features a lot, at the back it features a lot of things that you can collect them all, being everything on the list, even the ones that are there. Like the Celebration Thomas is discontinued. Like I have Thomas, Percy, James, and Edward. Now I do have Toby. I'm planning to buy some of these. Now all I need left is Gordon, Henry, and Emily. I'm planning to buy 12 trains. So Gordon, Henry, Emily. I also wanted Duck. If you can see my finger there. Along with Donald and Douglas. Even Oliver. Along with some rolling stock that I think will go well. And it features moving eyes, as you can tell, just like any other engine. And it costs, and for my first trip in a model railroad store, pretty worth it. It cost a lot of money, but worth it. You see, Aiden up. I love it when they put names there, so you could tell which is which. And the rolling stock, like, why can't the rolling stock do that? Well, without further ado, let's open him up. And you can tell Toby's face. Have I said it already? Sorry. If you have, then sorry, I'm not so good at remembering. It's an easy fix. No problem. Well, man. Hopefully I sleep well tonight. Alright, so I'm gonna, out of everything in the world, why did it have to be those blister packs? It's just so annoying. Well, some of you might, this is more annoying, like, the packaging's more annoying than I am. Yeah. Alright. Now, lamp right there. Now we got perfect lighting. You'll know what's going on. Okay. Oh, that's pretty stupid. Come on. Gotta be careful of this. Come on, Toby. Haven't bought Henrietta, which is a big old pity, because Toby and Henrietta go well together. Finally, out of the packaging. No damages, except for this minor thing. What's that black speck right there? There. Looking at the instructions, or exploded diagram, which one. Which one, depending on which one you refer to. Let me open that. Alright, every locomotive comes with a 1-year limited warranty and 90-day accessory warranty for products purchased in the United States and Canada. Yeah, you could pause whatever you want, but you're not going to be able to, well, this is a different language. You could read this one too, but if we do that, we're going to be here all day. So, there's this exploded diagram of Toby. This shows you how to do parts. It shows you how to, here's the mechanism. Here's his wheels, the motor, clearly everything you see. Here's the direct. And so, without further ado, let's go on to the main character. Oof. Well. Right, so what's this? Like, is this some kind of piece of coal? Oh. And there he is! Wow! My friend Ian's gonna love this. Well, it's gonna give him nightmares. Well, nonetheless, quite heavy. Okay, and you could tell how broken his face is, so no worries, it's an easy fix for me. Here's the bottom. Here's the side. Are those blemishes there? It's gonna affect this rating. I love the cab details, and I love the steps, the side plates, the cow catchers are incredible. Even the coupling looks so wide. If there's one flaw I have to give, is the bell. The bell looks pretty cheap. Looks pretty cheap in my opinion. And it's molded on. It's like the second engine who has the molded detail like that. It's like, if you think Duck is the one that had it first, no, it's James. Toby is the second. So, here's the back of him. It's an easy fix, no problem, so. Oh, here I go again. Well, want to say thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.